15 centimeter. So height of the toy from here to here, the height of the toy is how much? 15.5 centimeter. So if this is 3.5, this also will be 3.5. Correct? This is 3.5 centimeter. So height of the cone is equal to 15.5 centimeter minus 3.5 centimeter. That is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the height of a cone. Now I know height, I know radius. Do I know L? L I should find. L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Square root of r. R is how much? 3.5 whole square plus h square. H is 12 square. So what will I get? Square root of 3.5 to 3.5. 3.5 to 3.5, 12.25 plus 12 square 144 is equal to, if you add this, will get 160, 156.25 will get, and square root of 156.25. Yesterday I showed this. E type ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ remember 156.25 from last to one digit. Long division method. By doing long division method, you will get answer 19.50 centimeter. Any doubts? First you should find what? First you should find L. After finding L, you should find TSA of the whole toy now. So TSA of toy is equal to total surface area of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone formula pi RL. CSA of cone formula 2 pi r square. Correct? Okay. So what is common here? Pi r is common. Pi r is common. Pi r is here also. Pi r is here also. What is remaining here? L plus 2 pi r square. Okay. This is 2r is remaining here. Pi r is outside. Pi 2r is remaining. So pi r 22 by 7 into radius. How much was the radius? 3.5. Of length, slant height, how much you got? 19.50 was the slant height. 19.50 plus 2 times r. Radius is 2 times r, 3.5. 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 7. 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 of 19.50. 2 into 3.5 is 7. Is equal to 11 of 19.50 plus 7, 26. Sorry. Check how much it is. One second. One second. L is 12.50 it seems. I thought it is 19, it is 12. Square root of 156.25 is 12.50. Okay. This is 12. 19 gatla kana sir. This is 12. Okay. Only that was a difference. 12.50 plus 7, how much will get? 19.5 will get. 11 into 19.5 is 214.5. This is the answer. ತಿಳಿತು? E type paita answer. How many got answer like this yesterday? Once again, first he has given me radius of this hemisphere. So if this is radius, this is also, this will become the height of the hemisphere. So if this is 3.5, the total height of the toy was 15.5 minus 3.5. The height of the cone is how much now? 12 centimeter. First I found out this height. Afterwards L. When I know height, when I know radius, I should find L. Then I found out L. L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. I know R, I know H, I know H. So I know R was given. By doing this, I got L. After finding L, what I did TSA of the whole toy. That is CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone formula pi RL. CSA of hemisphere 2 pi R square. Pi R was common because radius and pi on both sides are same. So pi R of L plus 2R. Pi is 22/7. R was 3.5. L was 12.5 into this. Any doubts? Easy sum? Easy? Will you try it? Kasankat, why she's asking me why we took CSA? Because they have told us to find the total surface area of toy. If you think that toy doesn't have, are we considering what is on the inner side? Am I considering the bottom layer of that cone? Think. Am I considering the bottom layer of that cone? Am I considering the above layer of that hemisphere? I'm just considering this layer and I'm considering this layer. So we are considering CSA or no? TSA means what? Totally you should consider. Cone plus the bottom layer. Hemisphere plus the bottom layer. But we are concentrating on the toy. Toy has this part and it has this part. So I'm just considering the outer part. So that is what CSA. Huh? That only cone also outer part. We are not considering the inner part. The circle upeng name. Total surface area of toy is they are asking. That one I am saying. Total surface area of the toy they are asking. Toy means you should consider the whole thing. Getting? If they ask total surface area of cone, then I should consider the whole thing. This circle will also come. This also will come. So that time TSA formula. If they ask you full toy, then you should go with CSA. Kartu sir? They have done it to confuse you guys. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ total surface area ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ if they apply TSA formula, it's gone. Wrong sir. CSA. CSA. That one I'm saying no. If you are adding everything, if you are taking the cone like this also, inner surface area means ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. Now think there is a cone. Outer surface area means you will go like this outside. Okay. Inner surface area means you will go inside the cone. But if you are considering the bottom layer also, inner surface area, but if you are considering the bottom layer, then you should take TSA. Outer surface area, if you are considering the bottom layer, you should take TSA. If you are considering the whole thing, then you should take TSA. Now think of this classroom. If I just take these 4 walls, then what you will consider? CSA. If I go like this also 4 walls, you will consider TSA. CSA. If I tell you take all 6 walls, everything you take means you will take TSA. Inside, outside doesn't ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಚಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಈ ಟೈಪ್. ಈಗ ನಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಐತಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇದ ಮೇನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ see here, listen properly. If this is one bowl you think which has very thick bowl. Think this is 1 centimeter thick. This is 1 centimeter thick, and this is 4 centimeter. Now, radius for outer surface area is different. Radius for inner surface area is different. Yes or no? Getting like that sums will come. So, if I say CSA, either you will go outside or you will go inside. But what will change? Radius will change. That will be the trick of the sum. But CSA means you will just go round. You will not consider this bottom layer. You will never consider this bottom layer. If I say TSA of inner means you should go inside here. That means your radius is 2 centimeter. Okay, and you will consider the whole thing. Like you will consider the CSA also. Will go like this also. You will consider that bottom layer also. If I tell you the outer surface area, what is your radius? 3 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. You should add whole thing. So your total diameter is 6 centimeter. So outer CSA, ಹೊರಗಡೆ part. If you go like this, From outside, your radius will be 3 centimeter. ತಿಳಿಯಾದೈತೇನ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ದು. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ? Any doubts? CSA is totally different concept. TSA is totally different concept. Any doubts? Next. This is 539 by 539 by 3. Okay. This is the question. Visible? It's not OR. Volume of sphere is given. This is equal to 539 by 3 centimeter cube. What is the formula of volume of sphere? 4 by 3 by r cube. Volumes are in cubes. Is equal to 539 by 3. 3 cancel. Both are on the denominator side. Okay. Now 4 into 22 by 7 into r cube. I am finding r radius is equal to 539. Okay. So r cube is equal to 539 into 7 will go here in the numerator by this whole thing. 22 into 4 will come in the denominator. 22 into 4. R cube is equal to, any cancellation idea? 7 will come here. 22 into 4 will come in the denominator. Okay. Any cancellation idea? Eleven twos are 22. 11 twos are 22. 11 fours are 44. 99. 11 nines are 99. 11 tables. 11 twos are 22. 11 into 49 if you do, you will get 539. So 49 I can write as 7 square. 49 I can write as 7 square into 7 by 2 into 4 I can write as 2 square. So 7 square into 7 is 7 cube. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Remember? Seven cube by 2 cube. So r cube is equal to 7 by 2. Cancellation agi. Cube root le horaga bandu you will get 7 by 2 centimeter. Any doubts? How I did? Once again, 11 twos are 22. 11 into 49 is 539. 49 is 7 square. 7 square into 7 is 7 cube. 2 into 2 square. 4 means we know it's 2 square. It's 2 cube. R cube is there. If I remove r cube to r, if I make r cube to r, this will also become cube and cube will get cancelled by the cube root. So I got 7 by 2 centimeter. Any doubts till here? After getting this, now my work is to find what? Find its surface area. So volume of sphere was given. Surface area of sphere. What's the formula of surface area of sphere? Sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into r 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 2s are 7 cancel. So 2 into 11 into 7, correct? 2 into 11 into 7. What is the answer? 154 centimeter square. Visible? This is the question. Said quote, one of the zeros of polynomial of p of x is one more than the other zeros. So if alpha is equal to alpha, then beta is one more than that itself. So can I write 1 plus alpha? One of zeros of polynomial, either alpha or beta, is one more than the other. Now think, she has got 20 marks, he has got 21 marks. Either he has got 20 marks, she has got 21 marks. There are two variables, one is alpha, one is beta. One of the zeros of the polynomial is one more, so I took beta is 1 plus alpha. Any doubts? Any doubts? If this is 20 marks, this is 21 marks. Correct? Now, find the value of k. In this equation, I should find the value of k. We know, first I will write the equation. X square minus 5x plus k is there. What is a here? What is a? 1. What is b? What is c? K. Okay. So first, so first, sum of zeros will do. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha is how much? Alpha only. Alpha is alpha. How much is beta? 1 plus alpha. Alpha is alpha. Beta is 1 plus alpha is equal to minus b. B is how much? Minus 5 by a. A is how much? A is 1. So alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to minus into minus 5 plus 5. 2 alpha is equal to 5 minus 1. This 1 will go here. 2 alpha is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to 2. 4 by 2. 2. Any doubts? Easy till some? Easy? No, what didn't you understood? Which part? Alpha plus alpha means it's like x plus x. X plus x is how much? 2x. Similarly, alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha. Alpha plus alpha plus alpha, 3 alpha. Alpha plus alpha plus alpha plus alpha, 4 alpha, like that. Getting? So alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha plus 1 was remaining. If you are not understanding any part, I don't. ನಂಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. If you clarify, I can tell in detail part about that. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? Okay, next. कौन तो है अल्फा प्लस बीटा? हाँ आइए आइए. Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to 5. Minus into minus is plus. 5 by 1 is 5. 5 by 1 is 5. 4 by 1 is 4. 3 by 1 is 3. So I'm not considering the denominator. 1 is there means leave that. So minus into minus is plus. So it became plus. Off means multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. So 5. 2 alpha is equal to, then I send this one here, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. So answer is 2. Okay. Next we should find multiplication. Product is equal to alpha into beta. Correct? Is equal to C by A. Remember, alpha into beta is equal to C by A. Alpha is how much? Alpha only. Beta is alpha plus 1. Alpha is alpha, beta is alpha plus 1 is equal to C. K by A. A is 1. So K by 1 means K. Mat K K by 1 means K. K is equal to alpha square plus alpha. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Alpha into 1, alpha, alpha, alpha into alpha, alpha square, alpha into 1, alpha. Okay, so what did I get equation? 1 second. Just now I think we have found alpha, and alpha is how much? 2. Find Martin. So I will apply now. K is equal to alpha means 2 square plus 2. That is equal to 4 plus 2. That is equal to 6. This is answer. Basic, pura basic. This is full basic. Take it. Which one? What you are asking? How did I took it? That only I was saying. In the question is telling me one of the zeros, either alpha or beta, one of the zeros of polynomial is one more than the other zero. That means if alpha is 10 marks, beta has got 10 plus 1 marks. Or you take beta has got 10 marks, alpha has got 10 plus 1 marks. If one of the zeros of polynomial, well, there are two zeros of polynomial. One is alpha, one is beta. Either alpha has got 1 marks more or beta has got 1 marks more, is said. So I consider that if you want, you can take alpha, or you can take this as, if it's confusing, you take it as x. Alpha has got x marks, beta is x plus 1. Getting? Or you take beta as x, alpha is x plus 1 and find x. First you find x. After finding x, you find the k. That is also okay. Okay. Since I took alpha is equal to alpha, it might have confused you a little bit. Okay. Write this, try it in home. Once again, you will understand.